Hi guys, how's it going? Today we are going to learn how to fix an action. If you've emailed me at Gretchen@GretchenOtero.com and asked for a set of my actions, you might notice that Save Proof As Is doesn't work on your computer. So we're going to fix that. What an action is basically just a pre-programmed set of commands that Photoshop will follow. It makes it one click instead of having to click all over. It makes several different adjustments and this, that, and the other. You can just click your action and it does exactly what you've told it to. So your actions usually look like this. So what we're going to do is we're going to go kind of like behind the scenes. So we're going to get out of button mode. Our pretty colors go away, and then we have this. Now this basically is the behind the scenes. It shows exactly what each action does, like the saturation slider. It makes a layer and then it selects a brush. Um, we have Sparkle Eyes, plays a couple actions, and then selects history states, and then selects the brush. But the one we want to work with today that you have is Save Proof As Is. This is programmed to flatten the image, so it takes all your layers and puts them into one, and then it's programmed to save it, and this actually is programmed to save to my desktop. So if you click it, you don't have access to my desktop, so you're just going to get an error. And then after it saves it, it closes it and goes away, and you can move on to your next image. So we're going to work with this. The problem here in this action is the save. So we're going to take this, click, drag it down here to the trash can. And before we go any further, we're going to go to our desktop, show the desktop. You can right click, new folder, and make sure you have a folder called Proofs Ready. I already have one, so I'm just going to delete this. Here's my Proofs Ready folder over here so you can see it. But make sure you have that. You got to have it. So we're going to go back to Photoshop. We're just going to click here at Flatten Image. It's within the Saves Proof As Is, Flatten Image. And now we're going to record. We're going to tell Photoshop, hey, this is what I want you to do. And you can do this. You can make your own action. You can make a set of commands, any commands you want, and make your own action. I would love to see what actions you come up with. So if you have anything cool, send it Gretchen@GretchenOtero.com. I'd like to see what you guys are doing. So we're just going to go here, record, file, save as. We're going to navigate to our desktop, which I happen to be there already. There we go. And we're just going to say save. Make sure that our settings are the way we want them for every single image that we're going to use this action for. When I'm making proofs for clients, when I get done making the proof, I click Save Proof As Is. So make sure you have it the way you want it. Say OK. And now click your stop button. Perfect. And then let's test it. We're going to just close that out. We're going to go back to our button mode. I'm going to shrink this over so it looks the same. And now let's click Save Proof As Is and show the desktop. Let's see what we have here. Boom. View extra large. So we do have both images. So now we need to go back to Photoshop. And we need to, I'm just going to open this up. There was no need to do that. I just did that so it looks a little more put together. And we're going to save these. So it's a little weird. If you have any of your actions highlighted and you try to save, it won't save. It's so frustrating. So you have to click right up here to the name of your actions. Then we can save the actions. Boom, this is where I keep my actions. You can navigate to anywhere and keep them anywhere you want. And just click save. Yes, we're going to replace it. And boom, all done. So that is how you make an action, guys, or how you fix an action. To make a new one, kind of the same process. You can just click make new, see, new action, show it what you want to do, all kinds of things. I'll make another video that goes more into depth about how to make an action, but that is how you fix your action that you got from me, Gretchen at GretchenOtero.com. So don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, send me a comment, send me an email. Love to hear from you. If you have an image that you're stuck with, send it over to me. Maybe I can be of some help. Thanks so much, guys.